Hello, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Khenar and today's topic is strings in Java and date is 27 December 21. So what are strings? The strings are the which stores an object means string is basically string is sequence of characters which store and stores and character value and it can we can store that value by using new keywords or by using the literals. String can be declared by using double quotes. Strings are non-primitive data types because they refers to an object because the string object has a different method to perform a certain operation in a strings. We can declare string by using the double quotes. String is an immutable means we cannot change the value. We cannot when we declare a string we cannot change the value of a particular string. So it is immutable. In string there are two areas, that is heap area and scp area, uh, which heap area and scp area. What is heap area? Heap area is the area of memory used to used to store the object instantiated by a string object or values. What is scp? Scp is a string constant pool. What is a string constant pool? String constant pool is an SCP is a string constant pool where heap memory stores and literal values. Uh, when new variable is created, it can be stored in that heap area, and if the same Java checks that Java checks if the exact value in an pool. It if it is thus the value is reused for new variables in Java. And in that there are different methods to uh, declare a strings that are compared to char add, index of, and etc. There are many methods in strings which we using to declare and variables or to use that particular method in Java. Java object can be created by using two methods. First one is a string literals and new keyword. First one is a string literal. What is a string literals? When we declare an object, we need to declare that object by using the double quote. For example, string s1 is equal to in double quote xyz. That is the declaration of string. Next one is by using a new keyword. When we want to declare a new method that can be stored in heap area. That particular By using the new keyword we declare the method that is stored in a heap area. We declare the string by using the keyword as string s1 is equal to new string in bracket double colon xyz. That is the declaration of an particular string. The different methods of strings are, there are many methods in strings. They are first one is a caret. It declares it returns the character value. Next one is the index, in which we find out the index value of a particular string. Next one is a replace. Replace, by using the replace keyword we can replace the particular variable, and we can means which keyword we do not want in our string, we can remove that keyword. We can replace that keyword by using new keyword by using the replace method. Next one is next one is the substrings. index being index and end index. It returns the substrings for given begin index and end index. Boolean context, which represents the it returns the value in true or false. Boolean equals, it checks the equal to value and returns in true, or if the value is equal to that particular string, then it returns the true or false values. String concat, it string concatenate the particular string values. Next way, boolean is empty, means the if value is not present in that particular string, then the is empty method are used to show that the method is that string is empty. String length method used to show that to calculate the length of an particular string in turn that returns an internal strings. In Java, int index int lowercase, it can be used to return and lowercase letters in a particular string. Next one is the string uppercase. It returns the uppercase letters in an string. It used to remove the beginning and ending spaces of the strings. Static string value of int value, it converts the given type into string. It is an overloaded method. That's all about the today's topic, strings. Thank you.